Welcome to this Claude Master Explainer on projects. Today we're tackling what is, without a doubt, the absolute worst bottleneck in AI workflows. I like to call it the setup tax. Seriously, think about your daily tasks for a second. How much time do you waste just bringing your AI assistant up to speed before you can even begin the actual work?
We've all been there, right? You open a fresh chat and boom, you're staring at an amnesiac blank slate. It forgot your tone, it completely forgot your documents, and there is zero trace of that massive context brief you just spent 10 agonizing minutes copy-pasting for the 100th time. It's incredibly frustrating. If you do recurring work, you are paying this setup tax literally every single day.
Well, let's fix that. Claude projects are the ultimate solution to this repetition tax. Think of a project as a self-contained, permanent workspace that is designed to remember exactly what you need it to. It's a real game changer for your workflow.
And the sheer scale of this workspace, it is absolutely staggering. We're talking about a 200,000 token context window. Now, this isn't just some tiny short-term memory bank. No, this is a massive, persistent foundation that Claude automatically reads in every single chat you open within that project.
So, what does this all mean? To put that abstract technical number into perspective, 200,000 tokens holds about a 500-page book's worth of raw data. That's huge. And hey, if you have really massive data needs, on paid plans, an automated feature called RAG kicks in, which can actually expand that capacity by up to 10 times.
Okay, so here's how the whole shebang works in 3 simple pillars. First up is your knowledge base. You just upload your files once. We're talking PDFs, code, spreadsheets, you name it. Second, you have persistent instructions. You write a custom prompt exactly once to permanently shape Claude's behavior. And third, every new chat automatically inherits both of those things. Set it up once and it works every single time. Oh, and if you're on a team or enterprise plan, you can even share these fully loaded workspaces with your colleagues.
Let's look at a really tangible example. Imagine a product manager who needs to build a reporting dashboard for Q2. Instead of starting from zero, she creates a project. She then uploads 4 specific documents straight into her knowledge base: her competitor analysis, a user research transcript, the product roadmap, and her company's brand guidelines.
Next, she needs to set the behavioral foundation. So she writes this persistent instruction. You are a senior product manager. Prioritize user pain points identified in research. Reference competitor gaps where relevant. Maintain our brand voice. By doing this, she permanently shapes Claude's brain for this entire workspace. It knows exactly who it's supposed to be.
Now for the absolute magic. Step 1. She just opens a new chat inside the project. Step 2. She types a super simple prompt, something like, draft a PRD based on the research. And step 3. She instantly receives a perfectly contextualized, structured draft that quotes specific pain points, highlights those competitor gaps, and totally nails the brand voice. And the best part? She didn't have to paste a single document this time around. The project did all the heavy lifting for her.
So you might be wondering, when should you actually use this? Well, definitely use projects for your recurring work, things like ongoing content creation, style guides, or a shared code base. Keep your regular chats for those genuine one-offs, like a quick brainstorm or a quick translation. Now, here is a crucial pro tip you need to remember. Claude actually ignores the project name you type during setup. So any context you want Claude to actually use, make sure it goes straight into those persistent instructions or your uploaded files.
All right, so here is your core takeaway. A project is essentially your custom knowledge base plus your persistent instructions. You build the context exactly once. Projects completely eliminate the tax of re-explaining yourself, meaning every single conversation starts fully loaded and ready to go.
If you want to dive deeper, you can find the full chapter on this feature, including worked examples and common pitfalls to avoid, by grabbing the Claude Master ebook at claudemaster.net. But as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with this thought. If you completely eliminate the setup tax from your daily AI workflow, what are you going to build with all those hours you just got back?